Hello, internet friends. Today's question comes from a man named Derek Robinson, who asks, once your print is finished on your 3D resin printer, can you leave it overnight or for an extended period of time hanging from the build plate? And the answer to that question is yes, you absolutely can. Once your print is done printing, you can leave it on the build plate as long as it's in a dark place or your printer is covered with a light-proof shield indefinitely. This is basically, once it stops curing, the resin in the vat is inert, the half-cured resin on your build plate is inert. To be honest, a lot of times, once I will run my prints overnight in sleep, go to sleep, and let them hang till the next morning so they're done dripping so they don't drip as much when I take them off. The only caveat to that is if you're gonna leave your prints for a long time or do them overnight, be aware that if you get a tear in your FEP or a leak, your vat could leak and leak all down the sides of your printer. So you don't, long story short, you don't want to run your printer without checking on it, maybe in the middle or at the end, but like once you check it and it's done hanging there, you can let it hang forever. I've had prints that have been done, but then I had things to do that day or even the next day. So I would just leave them on the printer. I would put you can put a paper bag or a dark a plastic trash bag over it, or a pillowcase if you want to be extra, extra safe, or if you're extra paranoid. But yeah, your prints can hang up there for as long as they need to, hours, days, weeks, months, years. You can look online. There's been people that have left things on a plate for like 3 months and taken it off, no problem. Same thing with leaving the resin in your vat. If you're in a light tight situation and this is covered, your resin in your vat can sit for days, weeks, months. You might want to give it a store with a silicone, baster or something like that, or something soft that doesn't scratch your FEP to get it going once you do your next print. But yeah, long story short, you can leave these hanging up here forever.